A very good morning to all of you children. I hope you are enjoying good health at home. See, as you can see on board, today we are going to start the sixth chapter of our book, A Pact with the Sun, which is The Monkey and the Crocodile. Class, this is a story written from or taken from Panchatantra. This is a story which you must have read in your childhood. Right? हम सब लोगों ने पढ़ा होगा एक बंदर और एक क्रोकोडाइल की कहानी. Right? This is the same story. This is about a monkey which lived on a fruit tree, and the other one, the crocodile, lived in the monkey lived in a fruit tree which was at the side of at the river side, and the crocodile which lived at the same river, beyond which or at the side of which the monkey lived. So once upon a time there was a monkey. Let's get started with the chapter. Okay, you all have to listen the explanation carefully. After that I will give you some questions for writing or doing from home. So once upon a time there was a monkey who lived in a riverside on a tree. That tree was always laden with fruits. That tree was always covered with fruits. Okay, listen to me carefully, beta. That tree was always covered. Laden means covered, full of fruits. So the monkey was very happily living there, but the only problem he was having, the only sad thing or unhappiness was that he had no friend. He has no friend to share his fruits or to talk. So the only thing which was missing in his life was a companion, a friend. So once a crocodile came at the riverside, and the monkey, when he saw the crocodile, he became very happy. He became very happy that finally some other creature or some other one has come to the riverside. And when he saw the crocodile, he asked, "Hi, how are you? Do you live in the river? And do you want some fruits?" The crocodile wished him good morning, and he said, how nice of you that you are asking me for some fruits. I have come all the way from river to find out some food for myself and for my wife. And then the monkey said, okay. He plucked some fruits from the tree and he gave it to the crocodile. The crocodile ate them, and those fruits were very tasty. Those were very tasty and delicious. He said, can I come next time also? He asked the monkey, can I come next time also? And then the monkey said, sure, you can come next time, and this time also you can take some of these fruits for your wife. And then he plucked some more fruits, gave it to the crocodile, and crocodile went away home taking those fruits. Now after this incident, the crocodile started visiting the riverside frequently. He used to come there again and again, and soon they both became friends as the monkey shared his fruits with the crocodile. And when they became friends, they started talking about things. They started gossiping about birds and animals. They talked about people who were living nearby, and they talked about the problems which the people faced while growing their crops because the lack of water, or the problems they were facing because of lack of the water. So class, this was up to part first. Now in part second, what happened one day, the crocodile stayed with the monkey for long hours. He waited, or he was talking, or they were spending time. They spent a lot of time. And the mother crocodile, the crocodile's wife, who was taking care of the baby crocodile or the newly hatched crocodile. Newly hatched crocodile means the crocodile which have came out of the egg just a few days back, which were new. So the lady crocodile or the wife crocodile, she was very annoyed, and because she was taking care of the newly hatched crocodiles all alone, so because of this she was very irritated and she got very angry. And when the crocodile came there, she said, where you have been? आप इतनी देर से कहाँ थे? In a very angry way she asked to the crocodile. The crocodile said, oh, I stayed with my friend, that is the monkey. And then said, monkey, what you are doing with that monkey? And he said, it is the same monkey which sends you fruit, and he is very helpful. He takes care of me. He is a very nice monkey. And the wife was very angry at this. She said, nice monkey in a very bad way. And she said, if you ask me, I would like to have this monkey or that monkey as my food. Just I would like to have his heart, because if he eats so many sweet fruits, his heart must be very sweet, and I want to eat his heart. And the crocodile, when he heard that the wife wants to eat my friend, she said, are you fool? Do you want to eat the eat the monkey who is my friend? And वैसे तो I will also don't mind to eat a monkey, but he is my friend. And then the wife said, but you need to bring him here because I want to eat that monkey. And then the crocodile said, no, I cannot bring him here as you would eat him. But the crocodile's wife was very angry and she was so stubborn, वो इतना ज़्यादा जिद करती है, and she hid himself at the bottom of the river, and she went to live alone at the bottom of the river out of anger. And then the crocodile was taking care of the baby crocodiles all alone, because the wife has went down into the bottom of the river. And then he was in a problem, he was in a dilemma. He said, this one side I am having a friend whom I don't want to lose, but at the same time I don't want to lose my wife. Then he said, I would take side of my wife because she is my wife after all. I can get new friends, but I can't get a new wife. So he decided that he would go to the monkey and bring him into the river as his wife wanted to eat him. Now he went to the monkey and he said, my wife has invited you to her place and hope you would come with me. And she said, hope you would come with me. He said, you would come with me. Then he did not tell him that my wife want to eat you. He just said, my wife has invited you. And when they reached at the middle of the river, he told, my dear friend, I'm sorry, but I have to tell you this, that my wife wants to eat you. She wants to eat your heart because she feels that if you eat so many delicious fruits, your heart must be very fruitful and sweet. She wants to eat that. And then the monkey, when he knew that he has come with this intention, he was feeling very bad. And he was feeling very bad, and he said, okay, fine, your wife can eat my heart, but you would have told me earlier. तुम्हें मुझे पहले बताना चाहिए था, because I don't carry my heart all the time. It is on that fruit tree only. I have left my heart over there. Now we will have to swim back to it. Monkey did not show his fear to the crocodile, but he tried out this plan. The crocodile said, oh, I'm sorry, I would have told you earlier. Okay, now we will go back to the tree. You will take your heart and then we will go to our wife or to our house. Then the crocodile took a U-turn and they turned towards the tree. As the monkey reached near the tree, he jumped on the tree and he went to the top of the tree. From there, he took out some fruits, threw them over the crocodile, and he said, you selfish friend, you are very bad. I gave you fruits for eating and you wanted to cheat me, you wanted to kill me, you wanted me to be killed by your wife. These are the fruits, take them and go to your wife, and from now onwards I will not be your friend. And then their both friendship, friendship was, these two was broken. The crocodile was feeling very sad that he has broken the heart of his only friend, and then he will have to find out food now onwards by himself, because the monkey will not give him any fruits anymore now. So he turned back and he was feeling sad for his deeds and he wanted to tell the incident to his wife. So class, this is the explanation of chapter. What you have to do, is, you have to do some extra questions at home. Question number 1 is, where did the monkey live? Okay, this is the first question. You have to do it in your fair notebook, right? Now, question number 2, what was the only unhappy thing in monkey's life? Next question, question number 3. Why had the crocodile came to the riverside? Next question, what did the crocodile's wife wanted? Okay, now the last question, why did she want that? Means, what did she wanted and why did she want that? Okay, class, what you have to do from home, you have to read the chapter, then go through the explanation, go through this video, and then answer these questions in your fair notebook neatly. That's it for today. Thank you.